Good morning, children. Let's continue arithmetic progression, in which we will do some questions based on arithmetic progression from NCERT. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which D is 7 and 22nd term is 149. Here, D is given to you 7, 22nd term is 149. Formula of nth term is an, which is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is nth term, in which n is given to you 22. Let us replace n as 22, then it will become a22. Here n is 22, it will become again 22 minus 1, and 22 minus 1 is 21. Here 22nd term is given to you 149. Let us replace 149 here. And D is already given to you 7. Let us replace 7. By multiplying both of them, we will get 147. 147 is shifted here, and by subtracting it, we are getting the value of A, which is called first term. Now, first term is A, which is 2 here, and we have to find out here sum of first 22 terms. Sum of n terms can be written as Sn, whose formula is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And here we have to find out sum of 22 terms, means n is 22. Let us replace n as 22. In place of n, we are having 22. A now we have 2 because just we got it. In place of n, 22. And D is 7 already given to us. It is cancelled. Now 11, 2 2 ja 4, 22 minus 1, 21 into 7. Now 11 into 4 plus, let us multiply both of them, it will become 147. And now 11 into, let us add both of them. Let us multiply this. Which is called sum of 22 terms of this AP. Right? Now let us do next question based on the same from NCERT. You can see the question is written already, and we will read the question, which is, if the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289, find the sum of first n terms. We have to find out sum of n terms. And here what is given to us in solution, it is given sum of first 7 terms, means S7 is 49 and that of 17 terms S17 is 289. We know that, what we know? We know formula of sum of n terms, that is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And here, in place of n, we will replace 7. It will become S7, means if n is 7, then S7 is 7 by 2, 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d. Value of S7 is 49. Let us replace. And this 7 by 2, we can take, here it is 2 by 7, 2a plus 7 minus 1, 6, d. 7 is cancelled with it. By multiplying both of them, we will get 14 equal to 2a plus 6d. This is called equation in terms of a and d. Let us write 1. Similarly, we can find out S17 means we will replace n as 17. It will become 17 by 2, 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d. S17 is already given to you 289. And 17 by 2 will become here 2 upon 17. Again 2a plus 17 minus 1, 16d, and it is cancelled again. By multiplying, we are getting one more equation, 2a plus 16d, and by solving them, we can find out the value of a and d. I think it is clear how we are getting these two equations, right? And how we can solve? We can solve these two equations by any one of the method, that is by elimination method or substitution method, right? And let us discuss one more question, and that is, it is given to you. Show that A1, A2, A3, AN form an AP whose nth term is given to you. First, let us read this question and do it. What is solution? Solution is AN given to you, that is 3 plus 4n. And we have to check whether this is AP or not. Let us replace n as 1. A1, 3 plus 4 into 1. By solving it, we are getting 7. If n is 2, A2, 3 plus 4 into 2, 4 to the 8 plus 3, 11. If n is 3, A3, 3 plus 4 into 3, n is 3, 4 3 ja 12 plus 3, 15. Now we have first term 7, second term 11, third term 15. Let us find out difference of two consecutive terms. We are getting, here it is 4, and similarly here we are getting again 4. Means both are same. This is called difference. This is called difference. It is also called difference. Both are same. Therefore, D is 4 and it is AP because difference is same. In AP, difference should be same. Then we have to find out the sum of first 15 terms. Sum of 15 terms. We have to find out. And formula of Sn is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is 15 and value of A means first term and first term is 7. You can see here n is 15 and d difference, that is 4. By simplifying it, we can find out the value of S15. 15 minus 1, 14, 14 into 4. We can do shortcut also. As you can see, 14 is common. I am taking 14 common here. 1 is left and 4 is left here. It is cancelled with it. By multiplying 15 and 7, and 1 plus 4 is 5. And therefore, what we are getting? Sum of 15 terms. So in this way, we can solve these kind of questions. I think it is clear to everyone. Okay, then we will discuss more questions based on them. Okay, bye bye.